Looking for a nice place to stay in Kentucky? Well, stay tuned because we're about to show you a beautiful hotel that we stayed in. Let's go check it out.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we decided to stay here at the Embassy Suite by Hilton right here in Kentucky. It's actually the Embassy Suite Green. And I know what you're thinking. The Boones in Kentucky? There's no beach there. But the Embassy Suites is located on 245 Lexington Green Circle, Lexington, Kentucky. It's right beside a beautiful mall. It features swimming pools, gyms, 2 bars, and beautiful scenery. And you know it's bougie whenever there is a glass elevator. Look at this. And we're on floor 3. And all the elevators will take you to each floor.
Oh my goodness.
And look at that view. All of the rooms are indoor, climate controlled.
So here's what it looks like from outside our room, looking down to the restaurant, the bar area. But if you stay in room 328 here, like we did, this is what you'll get to have. So you got a parking lot view there. Little kitchen area, living room here. So here's your little bar, kitchen area.
And also the couch makes out into a bed. So those who are traveling with children and they tell you they don't have a 2-bedroom master suite, well, that will pull out into a bed.
Right, and this is adjoining room right here.
Yes.
With some of our other kinfolk. And you got a big television. So here's the bathroom, a nice lit mirror. And they have these complimentary hand soap here. They also have,
Walk-in showers.
and that's a reflection of the mirror, so it's not in there. You have your shower gel, conditioner, shampoo, walk-in shower. Here is a kind of a walk-in closet. Has your ironing board, an iron. So you have another television here, a little bit bigger for your bedroom. And king size bed. And the window here in this particular room is curved. I don't know if you can see it. It curves around. Let's see what our view is. Oh, look, a pond. Or a little lake pond thing.
Where the ducks will swim in the mornings.
Yeah, the ducks swim. Then right next door is like a mall, bookstore, a comedy club. And that's a look at the room.
And those are blackout curtains, so whenever you wake up in the morning.
That's right. Good blackout. Now, the good thing is they have a lot of these USB ports in all these rooms and downstairs.
And ladies, they also have a full standard mirror so you can see your outfit from top to bottom. Well, that's a plus for me. I really like this hotel because they do pay a lot of attention to guests. They just really go extremely overboard, don't they? Complimentary breakfast, receptions, and free drinks from 5 to 9, was it?
7:30. 5
5
to
to
7:30.
Oh, okay, 5 to 7:30. And as you can see, there's plenty of parking. So there's parking on each side of the Embassy Suites that makes out into like a horseshoe. And the front door is right whenever you pull in. They even have a nice green pet area, and pets are allowed. So let them know if you have a pet and they will set you up. And you don't even have to bring your bags. Just be courteous and pick up after your pets. They have an Embassy Suite shuttle that will pick you up from the airport whenever you ask for transportation. And a nice clerk to greet you in the mornings or even late at night at 2:30 like we got in. And a little snack bar area. And these seating areas will come in pretty handy whenever you're sitting here waiting for your slowpoke family. They have an on-site ATM machine, a map of Lexington, Kentucky. They also have a copying machine if you need to copy some tickets or anything. And they even have your business center right here. So right outside the door here is their swimming pool. Warning, no lifeguard on duty. And that across the street that we're looking at right beside it is the beautiful mall. And the outside pool area is from 9 to 9. But I think you can come down here and sit anytime you'd like on the outdoor lit patio with a wonderful view beside the waterfall. And I'm sure in the evening when the restaurant is open, this place is slamming.
They have a free made-to-order breakfast for omelets and waffles and such. But you can always get regular items yourself from the breakfast bar, like eggs, bacon, and French toast. Sorry, no grits. We must be too far north for those. Here's a quick look at my plate before we move on. They have a complete bar that stays open until 12 p.m. They have a free complimentary evening reception, which includes a free happy hour, chips, dips, and salsa. And here are the selections you get during their free happy hour. That's right, all of these are free between the hours of 5 and 7:30 p.m. After that, it goes back to regular prices. They have an on-site restaurant. Here's a look at what we ordered from the restaurant. I got the chicken quesadilla. And Bunny B got the black and truffle pork chop. And our daughter got shrimp tacos. And everything was absolutely great.
And at each end of the hotel, there is also a little nook that you can join your family for like evening drinks or anything. If your room gets crowded, you can just sit right here and have some family time. There you have it. That was a look at the Embassy Suite by Hilton, and they call it the Green, which is located right here in Lexington, Kentucky.
We hope you enjoy this video. If you're coming to Lexington anytime, this is a great hotel to stay at.
It sure is. We really enjoyed it and hoped you enjoyed this video, and we had fun making it.
Right. If you like what you saw, how about give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel because it helps out and it alerts you to new videos that we post, and we post them weekly, whether we're at the beach or somewhere else, mainly at the beach.
Alrighty, and we look forward to seeing you in Myrtle Beach. We're going to take a little bit of mini vacations this year, so stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.
Until next time,
Keep beaching, but not in Kentucky.